This is our special gift for you guys during this fall season. It is keto chocolate and keto vanilla cake mixes. You can make amazing cakes and also cupcakes with these two mixes. They are the best you'll ever try, and you can't even tell that they don't have sugar in them. And today we're gonna make vanilla cupcakes with pumpkin spice frosting. And for the frosting, we're gonna use our old friend, the powdered sugar from BochaSweet. You can go to our website and get either flavor of our new keto cake mixes, and even better, you can get the keto cake mix bundle, which is the chocolate, the vanilla, plus the powdered BochaSweet to do the frosting. So we're gonna start by making our cupcakes. You can do either chocolate or vanilla. I'm a vanilla lover, so I'm gonna do vanilla cupcakes with pumpkin spice frosting. And this is very simple, just as our other baking mixes. Just eggs, butter, 1, 2, 3, and you got your cupcakes. Let's get it started. Here we have our cupcakes. Now we're gonna go to our second step, which is the frosting. These are the ingredients you will need. Couple of things to keep in mind. The butter should be softened but not melted, just at room temperature. And you must use the nutmeg. As far as the pumpkin spice and the cloves, it's up to you if you want to spice it up. So here we have our keto pumpkin spice cupcakes made with BochaSweet. These guys are so good. This could be easily my favorite recipe at the moment. Well, it's hard to decide. But anyway, I hope you try it at home. And if you have another idea, you can easily DM us on Instagram, send us a Facebook message, or email us to info@bochasweet.com. We would love to see your recipes and learn more about our products to make this and even more treats at bochasweet.com.